Hi there, and welcome to DuraVent's YouTube channel. My name is Dale Menges. I'm the Southwest Regional Sales Manager, and today we're going to talk about installing a support box in a flat ceiling. As you can tell, we have multiple options, starting from the round ceiling support box, a flat ceiling support box, or a square ceiling support box. They all can be used in that application. The flat ceiling support box is really an economical version of the box intended for like your mechanical room or your boiler or add-on furnaces, someplace that you're really not looking up at it because it does not come painted. The trim is also not painted. The round ceiling support box is an alternative to that square shape in your ceiling. You now get a round version, but the trim is not included. And the most common used, we call our square ceiling support box. The trim does of course come painted black and comes with the box. If you'd like to see further installation videos, be sure to follow the link here. And as always, be sure to like us and subscribe to the video. And thank you for watching, and be sure to come back. We'll always have new and exciting videos to show.